In this video, we will learn how to merge two graph in Excel sheet. So let's start this Excel sheet. I have here two table. One is a cell and second is a profit table month wise. So I select the first one, sales data, then go to the insert tab. In chart groups, click on the 2D column, and here you see the column chart is created. Then I select the profit, go to the insert chart, click on the line chart, the first one. Then I want to merge the both chart. Select the profit chart and press the Ctrl C to copy, and select the cell chart to Ctrl V. Here you see the both chart is merged. When you click on the blue line, it's indicate the profit table. When you click on the orange line, it's indicate the sales data. So this is a way you can merge it. And second way I show you, I just delete this both chart first. Okay, then I select the first sales table, then go to the insert and select the column chart. Okay, then then select the chart, go to the chart design. In data group, select the data. Here you can select the legend entry add, series name profit, series values, you select the profit values and click on OK and click on OK. Here you see the data is added and chart will merge, sales and profit both it merge. Now this orange is a profit I want to convert in line. So select it. Here you see the bubbles on the orange. So I just right click on it and click on the change series chart type. Okay. Here you see the choose the chart type and access for the your data series. Okay, series name, the sales and profit. Sales is a cluster column and profit I want orange is indicate here color also in line. Then I click on OK. So here you see the profit is showing in line. When you click on this orange line, the profit data is selected. So this is a way you can merge your two graph in one. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.